Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracy back from Matley House. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing fabulous. Today we've got another Temu rewind. We're rewinding haul 23. Yep. Now this haul, when was this haul out? I think it was just before Christmas still. So the hauls were a little bit smaller because a lot of the products that I couldn't show were Christmas presents. But anyway, let's get into it. And as normal, I've updated all the links on the OG haul video and put the link down below, and updated all the links and put all the products down below here as well for you, just in case you want to see them. So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay. Let me pull up my bit of paper. Well, me notepad paper. What was the first product? Oh, it was another bunch of baby's breath, the fabric flowers. What colour was this one? I can't remember the colour of it. Let me have a quick peek. It was the white baby's breath in this one. Have I still got it in use? Yeah, I believe it's in the kitchen. Is it in the kitchen? In the vase? It's either in the kitchen or it's in my bedroom, but yep, the baby's breath. Love it. They're cute. Although they're not particularly like baby's breath, if you know what I mean. They've got brown stalks. They're more like a little dogwood of some kind. I'm not sure, but they come in a range of colours. They're really good. I think they're in 3 bunches. And yeah, they're pretty. They splay out nice and they look good. And I like them, so they're a good one. I think I've got them now in 3 or 4 different colours, the baby's breath. Just quickly show you where the baby's breath is, and it's in here. Voila! There he is, sitting in my little pink vase in my front room. Nice. So, yeah. Next, Waffle today. Waffle, because I've got to look at my pictures, and then I've got to look at my description. I'm trying to be, on the ball. No, it's not going to happen, is it? It is what it is. Okay. Next. Oh, yes. It was a set of 6 Pom Pom floofy hair scrunchies. And because I think on the previous haul, I bought 2 individual floofies, Pom Poms, and this one I bought a pack of 6. Do I use them? No, I don't use them because they started molting for a start. I noticed a lot of the floof comes out. I mean, they are pretty sort of thing, but they're more like Decor. You'd put like a tight band around your hair first and then put the floof on the outside. And when I started to use them, I didn't like them as much for some reason. I don't know. I don't know why. But yeah, for me, they're an unused. Next was a wooden decor. It's white and it's like a knot. So it's 3 links. I think it's 3 links, or is it 4 links? And they're all linked upon themselves. And that, I believe, is sat in the front room. Let's go for a quick wander. So I went for a wander all around the kitchen looking for this knot. Hello, Monty. And Mr. Jack. And look, it's behind me. It's on the shelf. I think it's because it was a good size. It fitted on my little shelf, so I moved it in here. Look, there's the next haul. Don't look! So there's that one. Okay. Next, what we're looking at now. Next was a corner floating wooden shelf. Which one was it? Because I've got 2 of these now. I think the first one I bought was like, what was it? like a star or a flower that done the corner. And this one, I think, is like a lotus flower. This one. Very pretty. They are only decor. They're not going to take any weight or anything, but they'll take like a fake plant or something like that. I liked it because I like the filigree work and it's black against the white wall, etc. It's not in use at the moment. It's in my drawer. Dare I say it again, waiting for me to move. Yeah, but I've got 2 of them now, and yeah, I'm going to use them in the next place. But not used at the moment, so I can't say used. It's an unused because I'm not using it at the moment, but I will get round to it. Have they still got them? Yes. It's not exactly the same one that I purchased, but it looks exactly the same. So I think this is from a different supplier as well, but it is a lotus corner shelf. So I've put that link down below instead. Next was, it was wall art. What did I do with this? I had it up for ages, this wall art. But I seem to have put it away. Yeah, it was behind at one point. Because a lot of things I started to put away because we had to do like photographs for the house to advertise it. So a lot of things have been like pushed into drawers, etc. And that little picture or the wall art was one of those. And all it was 12-inch. I mean, you could have printed it out on your printer, to be fair. And different paint sort of streaks with like different words going down it. Yeah, no. They don't do it anymore anyway. I'm not big on words splattered on the walls sort of thing, really. You know, like dream, eat, bathe. Yeah, okay. I'm not big on that sort of stuff, so I'm not sure why I bought it. Which might be why it's still in a drawer somewhere. Used? No, not at the moment, but I did. I had it up for quite a while, actually, and right up until maybe a month ago when the pictures had to be done. Will it go back up? Probably not. Okay. Next. It was another resin balloon dog. What was last week's balloon dog? Was he the squatting dog? You know, one that looks like he's having a poop. And I think this one is just a stand-in balloon dog. What happened to him? I know he was pink, but he was really sort of baby candy pink, which I didn't love. And I thought I was going to paint him and get him next to the squatting dog in the bathroom. That didn't happen because the actual balloon dog, when you stood it up, it sort of teetered on its feet, so the feet weren't exactly level, so you'd have had to have filed them down to make him stand flat. It annoyed me how he wobbled. But I had full intentions of painting and I didn't get round to it. And by the time that he got pulled out, I don't even know where he is at the moment. Monty had knocked off the pooping dog from the bathroom, so therefore I didn't get around to doing this one to go with it because the other one's broken. So this one is a... No. It not only did it's just a stand-in balloon dog. At least the pooping one is kind of funny. This one was a bit boring. It was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. And it teeter-tottered, and I didn't like that. So, no, I didn't like him. They still do it. And I think they do it in different colours. Next. It was my gold duck. Let's go for a walk to the bathroom. Hey, we're going duck hunting. This one is for the gold duck. And there he is, Mr. Cutie. Look, he's opening. But I've got, don't want to talk about plants, but I've got mould. Powdery mildew on my plants that I've got to sort out. While we're in here, because he's coming up next, there's Mr. Finger Duck. Onwards, Trace. Next is the finger duck. I showed you him in the bathroom just now, along with my gold duck and the other little ducks that I've collected, minus my squatting dog. Finger duck. I went on a mission to find items or decor that sort of made me giggle, which is what started off like the balloon squatting dog. And then I come across the finger duck, which made me giggle, so finger duck had to be purchased. He's, as you saw, still happily sitting on my bathroom shelf. I like him. Do they still do him? Yeah, they do. And he's definitely in use, if you can classify Decor as being used. But yeah, like him a lot. Next, let's find out what it is. I need pictures today for some reason. Got fuzzy eyeballs today, so head's all over the place. Okay. Next was some Waffle hand towels. Now, I love these little hand towels, mostly because they've got like little hooks, little tags, so that I can hook them on my magnetic hooks on my fridge. I just don't like hanging towels like over the doors and things like that. And these are only about, I think they're about 30 by 30, something like that. So they're square little quick tea towels or hand towels in the kitchen. And I love them because they've got the hooks. And I got them in, I think in this batch, I got them in beige, and then I got them in grey, and then I got them in black. I like them. Yeah, they're fine. They're small, but I like the small because of where I hang them in the kitchen. So for me, they were a good thing. So yeah, and I use them on a daily basis. Next was a little electric USB lighter. It was for mostly lighting candles and things like this, because I don't smoke, so I haven't got, normal lighters or anything like that. And I saw this one and I thought it would be handy to have. Now I have got it here, but they don't do it anymore. This one in particular, they don't do anymore. I don't know why. Not unless just because when I looked, it could be just out of stock. But this one's rechargeable. See? And that's what I liked mostly about it, is the fact that it was rechargeable. And it's also got a safety thing. So I'm pushing it on at the moment. You've got a down, that's on. Push button, nothing. Slide that up, and then you can use it. And even though it is just like that electric, it does light a candle. And it's got the power here. So you can see how much it's gone. And let's flick that down so that can't be accidentally zzz. But yeah, I like it. Don't know why they don't do it no more. Maybe it's probably a little bit dangerous. Who knows? It shouldn't really be in my study. That should really be in the kitchen. So I'm going to leave it out and actually take it to the kitchen. But yeah, for me, I love it. But they don't do that one anymore. I do use it. No problems at all. But they do others. I saw some electric lighters, but I'm not sure they were rechargeable. So you'd have to have a bit of a nosy round for that one, because I'm not sure. Next. Okay. Not with it today. I'm a bit of an air today. I think I'm coming down with something because I feel a little bit spacey. What's next? Anyway. Oh, it was a floor mat. What happened to this floor mat? Yes, because that was by my front door for ages. That was it. The dog made a mess on it and it left like a permanent stain. So that went to the bin. Not for the fault of the mat, because it was handy because it went in and out of the washing machine, etc. But my doggy destroyed it. Do they still do it? Yeah, they still do it. They still do it in like 3 different sizes, no problems at all. It's just a thin washable floor mat. That's all. Next. It was the Heartstrike top. Yeah, actually, I wore that recently. I'm pretty sure I did. It was long sleeves, which I know it came up pretty big. And it's got a couple of like varsity stripes and a couple of scribble hearts on the front. Yeah, no problem at all. But it did come up a little bit big. Okay, next was, I think it was a thick black cardigan. It had a hood. Yeah, I don't normally do the hood things, but it looked really thick and I thought it'd be great for winter. What was wrong with it? Because I know I sent it back. I know it only had 2 buttons on the front and it was definitely not as thick as it looked in the pictures and definitely not as long as it looked in the pictures. But I think it was more about the hood. The hood made it quite weighty on the back and then only had the 2 buttons at the front. I think that's what annoyed me the most, is the 2 buttons at the front. So it went back. They still do it, etc. So I don't have it. And the last item is exactly the same as that, but in like a reddy burgundy colour. So that went back too. Hello, Monty. Cat wants in. You'll have to wait. So that went back too. That was it. That's it. I told you there's a few of these hauls. I know the next one was quite a small haul. And I'm trying to look at it now. And the 25th was quite a small haul. And then 26 it picked up again because obviously that was after Christmas. So we've got another kind of small haul after this one as well, which I'm wondering if I should put them 2 together. I might squash the next 2 together and then put 26 on its own. That makes sense to me. Okay, so we're going to leave it right there for this haul. That's a quick update of where everything ended up. A few of the items obviously went back. And some of the items are still here, still happy. Anyway, enough waffling. I need to go and have a coffee or something and wake up properly and then get my head together and do the next 2. I think I'll get them done today, so I might be just as airheady on the next one. We'll find out. So thank you so much for sticking with me. Be good and look after yourself. Until next time. Bye.